geometric ratio of complementary angle in a particular time. This is complementary angle to equation must be napan paging within. Complementary angle I mean supplementary angle kiti khat I mean complementary ti pala 90 degrees say na hin. Supplementary pala 180 degrees say na hin. So ne din ratio of complementary angle negative hin. Abang chai formula kan si thain sin 90 degree minus a equal to cos a. Cos 90 degree minus a equal to sin a. Equal to pain. Hichu ho hi in bar su ke di hin. To hi hichu ho hi hola apna hung do ham. Ibiti derive an bola sin 90 degree minus a equal to cos a. Hola apna an la ham. Ti chu ne vet di tai. Chia chu ho in mas penga right angle triangle la diu. Chahin pat tai. In a right triangle ABC, and right triangle right equal 90 degrees say na in right angle at RT2 right angle say na in right angle at CT in lie in 90 degree na pa chu si lai ta 90 degree de ti equation chu theorem na then angle sum property het ngai chi ma sangai chan chu ma chai tin angle C to angle B to angle A plus oval chun 180 po ding here. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 here. And then why la C da C 90 degree ta chu. Na hello din chu A la B bo ta chu ma. Thum chu A plus A le angle thum chu 180 here. Ala chila chu C 90 degree am ta. Angle A le angle B chu ya tam te chu ta ni vet de. Chila 90 ni aku 180 cho 90 or 80 ni 90 ni plus al 180 al chu de amati ni chu compulsory a chu angle A to angle B must be 90 degree la chu amati ni chu 90 degree hi mai tha chu angle A le angle B chu 90 degree tai ti chu ai ji ha ta chu then angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree which is complementary. And now you can find angle A or angle B. Okay, now I find angle B. Rise to angle B equal to 90 degree kasi hata so. Chanen. Ama si plus plus transpose kan bola le plus will become minus so. Angle A. Angle B to 90 degree minus A ta so. Ale hichong chula or ka tingina. Angle A equal to 90 degree kati ale pas ujura hang do kin turn change ding ngi khel ding angle B ma so ding angle A equal to 90 degree minus B yang chu om the ti chu ni he ding amana to a hi chi petan chu in the wal hin idea ang bot ta chu chai da chi pham ta le now sin 90 degree minus A equal to Lakai piti gala hang raso ni vet ta so. Ai salai kil di ho salai vet di he. Sin 90 degree minus A. 90 degree minus A will be equal to if then the sin 90 degree minus A chu hilang B pass hin na spy mo ta chu spy sa ni so so the chu yo jing ha chu AC by AB which is equal to cos A. Ito no la ka chu na sin 90 degree minus angle A. For example, raso amati ni 40 in lahi chutele 15 ta chu. For example, raso na alate 90 plus 40 chu plus 130 chu. Chutele chun minus na 90 la in 40 minus the 90 minus 80 so angle A so 40 so na 4 5 6 7 8 9 50 ama pana ama ni minus le chin moving ama pana ama ni minus le chin moving 90 अपना एंगल ए माइनस ले एंगल बी ने moving 90 अपना एंगल बी ने माइनस आले एंगल ए ने moving जो ने हेड ले जो sin 90 degree minus a जो बेला चुन sin जी पे हम एंगल बी लंग तासु लंगा पाए किला तासु some people लंगे bs तासु हिचनो निंगा perpendicular तासु some people have perpendicular जो पे हम AC and hypotenuse जो पे हम AB some people have that means his two cos adding also cos a adding also kali brown here don't keep on hard just sin 90 degree minus a to cos a so kali cos a to kali brown here say na in ta chu adding also kali brown here just sin 90 degree minus a to cos a ti pa chu hung do ata chu ala hen tu khat na vekit am tere so ai thelo hoding ata he chance khat am line cos 90 degree minus a ti chu ta he chi angle la la bai da na 90 degree for example la bai da te cos 90 degree minus angle a ai angle a ma le nang hi na hold it in nang bi pai ini tu sin e mu chu biti mo me vet ni cos chu 90 degree minus a de chu 90 degree apna a na minus ala pini mule te mo chi 15 na mule na le chi a chu lang hi tai ba ta chu lang b ta chu b chu ve na ve ate kali brown here ocha mo base chu lang hi na nga base ta chu kali brown hypotenuse chu ki khelo de kali brown here ale chu sin a nga sin a to pi ki ba na ma pe ya chun some sin a chu ve ka ta sin a na kon ta angle a chu lang e pa chu lang base ta chu na le sin a pa na chu some people perpendicular sila so na le here ki bang pe he tia chu a formula hi ki drive e hoi salai a basic ni abula pani ni chi mai mai ang te leo chu ha sala ne he the di a hin he chu a he the lo no wa jong le he chi ha po in chi ba kai chin na ba te te di wa to ai bo pe yo ta in chin na ba te te di un tin. Okay, now let us solve exercise 10.3. Question number 1. Find the value of tan 45 degree divided by cot 41 degree. Okay, one solution. Here tan 45 degree by upon cot 41 degree. Hichai formula hin man pan ni tai kat hin ni le chai tan a chu angle sai na hin angle chu 45 hin a chu angle sai na hin tan a hi pemo tela chi equal to chi akibang itin hai tan a hi cot 90 degree minus a to ki bang hai cha chu tan a hi no ha na cha chu ma khela chu tan khela chu cot 90 degree minus a chu no ha 45 degree pa hai 45 ate de ale chi wa hi divided by ni su diu abale cot 41 degree na pai dia ale 90 la chun 45 la do le chun chi di the lo de chi 49 ni mai di the lo de question here wrong chi 49 ni ah chi 49 90 line 49 minus le chun 1 4 5 6 7 8 41 na ale cot chu cot na ji ta chu chi minus ale 41 na ta chu chi hai cot 41 degree na ta chu aji chu tan a chu cot 90 degree minus a ja chu ka chu ko hi a to a chu si sa chu divided bola le an sa chu 1 chai mà nó number 2 bol le number 2 chang bol bol tin cha le di win here cos 70 degree by sin 20 degree or to sin the cos 2 vela chu na cos 2 pe mo de cos a na chin ge le chu angle chu chi cos a se ne chu cos a chu cos a te pi ke bang mo ta le sin 90 degree minus a chino pai du chu sin 90 degree minus na a chu pe mo ta le 70 degree divided by sin 20 degree ka then di mo le chance ta na ne ba pa tin sim ji jo he ale to a chu sin is ta ve 90 la chu 70 lo la chu 20 um de ta aba ne sin 20 um na le de chite ni chu ke bang ta su ne chu jo ban ta chu ale chi an bola hi anoi pai ko thim wa achung pa is sin a cos pai ke ra chung ba chang ke lo ham te in question chum the in hi jong le tu hin chi question pen hi chom je men na bol chima mai na bol te cos 70 degree je achung pai ko thim te na bol te cos 70 degree ko ta ve ale sin a chu phamut ale cos 90 degree minus a ji chun a chun cos 90 degree minus a la mo ha chu 20 degree ta na a je ni ki ba sa re ka tinga chu ai des ne pa la mun nom ta ni chu nga pa ji sim ta cos 70 degree ale to chu cos ji ta 90 la 20 la do le 70 na chu sa wo ni thau thau he ne pa chung pa ki bo he de ga sen tin to in question number 2 ne pan taw te question number 2 so that second 53 degree sin 53 degree tan 37 degree equal to 1 this side is our left hand side and this side is our right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. We are going to show that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. We are taking left hand side. Okay, we are going to show this one. 53. So let's leave this. Let's write down 53 degree into sin 53 degree. This is somehow very different from other. So tan A means tan A la wale. That should be cot 90 degree minus what should A 37 degree. Okay, now I kept these two because we can cancel. Equal to now, what is our sec value? Sec 53 sin 53. Let's write down one. Sec 53 is equal to sin 3 tabin code to 90 la 37 la do ale code 53. Now number is in the bang tai ale to hi big ball and akid khathedam ta chun amas la ya formal ni ba no che e pan ta to hi sec to ept hung do ha sec to 1 by cos tines in the mang kha na chi sec formula to 1 by cos ti chune ke di hi cha to sec to 1 by cos 53 akai into ya sin to kai tan sin 53 ko kai thim thimin chi ro ngai ale into cos formula to tan ni phale sin by cos katin cos a phale cos by sin ni ba sta put ta so nei pa man la so sele cos 53 degree divided by sin 53 degree so na het le as a formula ngan chang hin formula hi het na da ha point ala hin chai sten hi ki multiply the lo he so ne wan me ma ta ma ki multiply ding ma ta ni ki multiply de chung anai ki multiply de ni ye chen sin 53 degree into 1 is sin 53 degree ma ding divided by cos 53 degree ding into cos 53 degree divided by sin 53 degree ding here chai bol wala hin 1 do na chu tan pi ko na hin sec to 1 by cos hung hin tin sin ko thim ba chun sin by cos hung de na chu langa ko chu ke sa then ding a chu a formula chu cos by sin pa kala hai a ale sin 53 divided by cos 53 chu tan into cos 53 divided by sin 53 tan upon square 53 is okay in achitile 1 answer hita the one is now equal to right answer hita kai pula chu da chu ko boram ta la chun cos into 1 is cos sin 50 to 1 divided by 1 to 1 cha chu dan chu for example no ha de na chu 2 divided by 2 to bong here so 1 to 1 is 2 to 1 is 2 nia 1 divided by 1 to 1 is 1 na sa bong mo so here sin 40 degree sec 40 degree sec 70 degree equal to cosec 50 degree the right hand side pi so the left hand side pi let's take left hand side equal to sin 40 degree sec 40 degree sec 70 degree sec okay last amat ni pa long hai why to do something because this is sec let's skip this sin 40 degree what is sec a sec a means cosec 90 degree minus a so let's skip cosec 90 degree minus our angle a means 40 degree and what is our sec 70 degree that means we can keep cosec 90 degree minus cosec 90 degree minus 70 degree okay the question may be wrong there can be 90 degree minus 40 50 60 70 80 90 20 so this should be cosec 50 degree, and this should be 50 degree. Question is wrong. Okay, now let's skip sine 40 degree. Cosec 90 degree la 40 la wale. Cosec 50 degree, and now the 290 la 50 la wale 40 degree. And sine 40 degree quite tale. Sine 40 degree le sine 40 degree ka tin nga so cosec formula chu 1 by sine ya chu sitele cosec formula chu na koi jo le na koi ma sa chama hi koi wa le 1 by 50 ya 40 degree ka thai lo ding chama na ma pai na koi chim di chpai oi cosec to ya ma chu 1 by sine formula chu cosec mean 1 by sine, sine mean 1 by cosec. So 40 degree na quite that. Ale hi sine 40 degree into 1 is sine 40 degree. 40 la 40 divided sa jo 1 is. Amati is case of it also. Sine 40 into 1 is sine 40. Sine 40 into sine 40 divided by sine 40 is 1. 1 into cosec 50 is cosec 50 degree. Ibang taas na din eh. Equal to right hand side. And then what we have is tan A equal to cot B. That's it. Mana hi tan A pas ko ya ta so equal to yung ko ya ta na cot B chu formula chu I A T B ala B di che negating cot B means tan 90 degree minus B ko ya kita so equal to mata na tan case kita so A equal to 90 degree minus B mata. A plus B plus minus pi lang transpose plus A plus B equal to 90 degree. If I 4 up on the model type.